My company's been implementing AI for clients, and these are the 6 levels that I've been seeing that people are using in their business today. Think of this as a ladder you can climb to get the most value from AI in your business. On level 1, you're using readily available tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude. Most companies at this point are already using this, and you don't want to skip this step because this helps everyone in your organization to understand how AI works. And there are some important things because AI can also produce wrong information. It can hallucinate. You want to make sure the employees know that not everything AI spits out is accurate and ready for business, especially without any business context. I see my enterprise clients encourage their employees to use it for things like drafting emails, summarizing long articles, brainstorming marketing ideas or presentation ideas, and they're just generating just simple text with this. Level 2 is when things start getting interesting because in level 2, we're accessing AI capabilities and also public knowledge available on the internet. Those are things like things on the website and FAQs or any other external documentation that is available on the internet. One of my clients deals with asset management. They need to access stock related information and what's happening in the industry. So they need to be able to gather lots of different information from the web and synthesize it. In the past, they had to do all of this manually. They had analysts go out and constantly look for information related to their industry. But now they've got these AI bots that can just search the information and pull in all of this information and synthesize it, summarize it for them, and pick out the important information that they need for their business. I have a chatbot on one of my websites that answers customer questions based on the public information I have on my website as well as my blogs. AI automations also fall under this category. A lot of sales and marketing agencies are using this approach now. They'll use AI to scrape the prospect's website and bring in all that information to make things more personalized for the prospect when they're reaching out to them. And this is great because they're seeing a much higher response rate when things are more personalized. Heck, I even get personalized emails and I know that that person didn't really go out to do research on me manually, but they're just using AI to scrape my website and understand what's on my website and what kind of services I provide. And even though I know what they're doing, it still gets me to respond to them because I feel like they understand me. But the problem is we still don't have any business context from our internal systems. So to do that, we need to go to level 3. And in level 3, the AI is trained on our internal knowledge. Now we're getting AI to understand your business unique context. This is really important because this empowers you and your team to access all the internal information much faster, and it reduces the time spent for searching for information. Just let the AI fetch that information and answer your questions. You know how many times it's annoying to be getting questions from the team members over and over about the same thing? Well, now AI can just answer that for you. It enhances operations by making it easier for everyone to follow the same internal documented processes. And this is why having your internal documents organized and being latest is so important because you don't want the AI to pull from outdated information. So you want to have a good archival system too and not provided access or tell it to update information when things do get updated. And at this level, AI is given access to your company's internal documents, standard operating procedures, wikis, training manuals, and other internal knowledge bases. So you can ask questions like, how do we handle customer return policies? This type of AI tool would have been amazing when I worked at Helpdesk 18 years ago at my college. We constantly had to refer to documentation on some obscure stuff that we didn't really deal with day to day, but we had documentation on it. We had to go search for that, but with this tool, we could have easily answered a lot of our customer questions. So that would have increased the response rate by a lot and higher customer satisfaction. But what if you wanted to ask the AI questions like, what were all the leads that I received last week from Facebook? For that, we need to go to level 4 because on level 4, AI is integrated with your company systems. It's connected to the different databases. This is a crucial level because it allows you to gain real-time data-driven insights directly from your own operational data. So typically things where you might have to log into a different system, go to that dashboard, if it's even built, or export some report, and then do your analysis to get that information. Now AI can just access all that information for you and just give you those answers directly from your database. You can have it directly connect to the different CRM systems or project management tools, or even your business intelligence systems. So now you don't have to run specific reports. You can just talk to it and it'll give you the answers. So you can say things like, show me all the open support tickets for customers with active subscriptions, and then pull up all that information for you and just give it to you. So level 4 lets you get smart. You get data-driven decision making based on integrated real-time internal data. This stage is going to be the stage that separates the companies that are using AI and data together from other companies that are only using AI. Because to use AI for the highest impact, you need to have your data management sorted out. Because as we're about to see in the next level of AI, the technologies that are about to come right around the corner, you need to have good data underneath the AI so you can take maximum advantage of it. And that next stage is level 5. In level 5, we're using AI agents that take action on your data. Because once you have your data figured out, this is where AI gets really powerful. By moving beyond just answering questions to actually performing tasks for you, it can be another AI employee in your company. Level 5 with AI agents focuses on automation that frees up significant amount of valuable human time. So AI agents can just focus on the manual tasks that just take hours to do, but are not necessarily that strategic in nature. They're just repetitive, tedious tasks AI agents can just perform for you. And then you can have your human employees focus more on those strategic decision-making things, which just dramatically increases the output your company is able to put out. So right around the corner, as these technologies mature, you're going to see significant impacts on the efficiency and cost savings. These AI agents can generate reports, send emails, approve requests based on certain criteria, or trigger workflows within your systems. Let's say your inventory data from your integrated database drops below a certain level. An AI agent could automatically create a draft restock order and send it for approval. For marketing purposes, if a lead score in your CRM hits a certain threshold, an agent could instantly notify the sales team and add them to a follow-up sequence. Things like accessing the web and taking actions for you. Basically stuff that highly specialized analysts do today, AI agents can just do these things much faster. Level 6 is predictive and prescriptive AI models. One of the hardest things that are challenging for companies is forecasting future demand. And for many years, companies have been building AI predictive models with machine learning. And we actually did this, and we built machine learning models as well. But the problem with some of those is that very limited in their scope. You can't have every variable accounted for. What this technology is enabling people is it's also bringing in other information. And at this level, we have our databases, we have our predictive models, but then it can also pull in additional information from outside of your internal databases. So it can give more context to those predictions and add additional information on top so you can make better, smarter decisions for the future. Based on what I see, most companies get stuck between level 1 and 3. They're using ChatGPT type of technologies for basic tasks, and they're building website chatbots, and they even upload internal documents to an AI tool, but they never connect AI to their actual operational system, which we talked about in level 4. Or worse, they just try to jump to predictive models and AI agents. You don't want to jump to level 5 with AI agents and predictive models until you have your internal databases stuff figured out. So if you want to make sure your AI project doesn't fail, make sure you have good foundational stuff underneath before you put AI agents on top. So what's my recommendation for where you should start with AI? Definitely have your company and your team start using level 1 with understanding how AI works if they haven't already. Then definitely use AI more for internal purposes than interacting with external customers. Augment your team and empower your team to do more. Use AI to enhance your team's capabilities internally. This is going to help you do things faster. And then once you have good database and your data is sorted out, your data management practices are good, you have good data governance in place, then that's when you want to jump to level 4. And the major AI companies like Anthropic, OpenAI, and Google are all building AI agents right now. So we're going to start seeing some really impressive AI agents that are going to be able to integrate with your business and then do things for you on your behalf. I've got more videos on my channel about AI. Definitely check out this video next, and I will see you there.